Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Opposition Naga People's Front NPF has decided to join the ruling People's Democratic Alliance PTA. NPF sources confirming the development said that the decision was taken yesterday during the party legislators meeting held in the residence of opposition leader Tia Zeliang in Dimap. Sources said the official meeting for submission of relevant documents would be held today in Dimapur. The 8th session of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly is scheduled to be held from 3rd of next month. In this regard, the NLA Secretary has requested the members of the Legislative Assembly to submit the questions latest by 23rd of this month. Nagaland will conduct special COVID-19 vaccination camps for heads of offices and staff in the Civil Secretariat, Directorates and District offices. The decision was taken during the meeting of administrative heads of departments and heads of departments held at the Secretariat Conference Hall yesterday, which deliberated on the attendance of heads of offices and staff in the districts, directorates and the Secretariat. The meeting also deliberated on many departments and directorates appointing legal advisors and consultants on full-time basis or on various terms and conditions. In this regard, it has directed the Department of Justice and Law to examine the engagements of the legal consultants and issue the guidelines regarding such appointments. The Law Department has also been asked to submit a report within 15 days. The meeting also raised concern regarding departments' websites, which have not been updated for a long time. On this line, the Chief Secretary J. Alam asked the nodal officers in charge of every department website to ensure that such updation should be carried out by 2nd of next month with assistance from the Information Technology and Communication Department. Continuing the sensitization program on COVID testing and vaccination for villagers, Kohima District Task Force on COVID-19 yesterday conducted the campaign for 8 villages at Kohima Village Council Hall. The villages present were Kohima Village, Chetema Model, Zapa Zob, Kichumetuma, Kichumeto Basa, Rusama and Dihoma. Minister in charge of Kohima, DTF, Tongbang Ozikam said Nagaland is the second lowest when it comes to testing and vaccination, but the highest in death rates as compared to other states in the northeast. He opined that late hospitalization and self-treatment at home was one factor for rising mortality rate and appealed to villagers to come forward honestly for testing and treatment if symptoms appear so that transmission of the disease can be curbed at the initial stage. If we are safe, we can save our family and the community, he said, while appealing to all not to fall victim to rumors and hearsay about the vaccines. The minister hoped that with the continued support of the frontal apex organizations under Kohima district, the district administration will be more prepared for the third wave of the virus if the government cannot fight this pandemic alone. Advisor for Urban Development and Municipal Affairs Dr. Nikki Kire stressed on the importance of proper wearing of masks, hand hygiene and social distancing. He also called upon them to come forward as a responsible citizen and get tested and vaccinated to keep the community safe from this pandemic. Beren District Task Force on COVID-19 and Vaccination Committee meeting deliberated on the review of Unlock 3 guidelines, ramping up of testing, vaccination exercises in the district and improper functioning of ambulance services. The meeting was held yesterday under the chairmanship of DC Beren, Senti Wapang Aya, who is also DTF chairman. During the meeting, representatives from Kuki Inpi, Nagaland, expressed their concern regarding the posting of doctors at Primary Health Center Atipung, wherein the DTF chairman assured to take up the matter urgently. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others to get vaccinated. We also advise the listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.